evening, class. Today we are going to learn how to make a simple weather instruments or tools. It is called a rain gauge. Look, you need to have a cutter, you get bottle, yeah, then you start. Let's start. Look here. So I'm going to start with this to cut here. So we are cutting now. So we have now cut this. Okay. We want this and this. Okay. So what we get, we are going to use this cut glass to make a line. So we are going to number it using our ruler. We number it in inches. So I get this. So we make here our line, straight line. So after drawing our line, we mark this. They are measured in inches. So we start marking them. Okay. So we letter them 2, 3, and 4. So that is done. After we have marked our tube or a glass, we have this. It works as a funnel. So we put it here like this. So this is already a rain gauge, and we put it somewhere, and when it rains, water enters here. So we are going to demonstrate how we can measure it. First of all, we are going to put it somewhere. We put it somewhere in something where it can be raised up. So we are going to use this, and we fix our tube or glass inside there so that it can get some height. Then after, we put our funnel on top. So we get a clear place. We get a clear place, and we start. We put it there. When rain comes, it will drop inside. So let's use this as our water, and we use it as rain. So the rain is coming. We say today it has rained, and we go to check and see. So when we check, we see here the level. It is at 2 inches. It shows 2 inches. Okay, you can see it. That's how we can make our rain gauge and how to use it. So we shall learn more on how to make the recordings. Thank you.